No slam slow close seat and lid for user convenience. Lift to release easy clean hinge for easier cleaning of the seat bowl, no tools required. Ever-Tite locking hinge system, engineered to reduce the seat from shifting side to side. EverClean Surface. Top-mounting traditional styled seat with cover can be installed from top of toilet bowl. Fits most conventional elongated toilets. Top and bottom mounting hardware included. Made from polypropylene plastic. Easy close, easy lift, easy clean. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit in 2 places. Bought this to replace a less expensive one I bought 5 months ago. Both my wife and I were getting sciatic pains and isolated them to when we replaced our seats. These seats are 1/2 inch wider and it seems to make a big difference. The soft closing seat and top take some getting used to and to remember when you are in a place without the soft closure not to drop the top. Very nice looking on both the Kohler and American Standard. Colors match well for beige and white, at least as well as can be expected for a toilet.